Hello YouTube, this is Cusco Quinn Gaming. Just to let you know, I'm not playing. My uncle Sailor. Not. My uncle is. I almost gave it away. Look at this mod we have. Do you know Halo? This is from it. This is Mr. Spray Can. Hello, Mr. Spray Can. How are you? Spray, spray, spray. Spray, spray means I hate you. Just kidding. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. If you don't, I'll come to your house and kill you. Ka-me-ha. That's pretty much it. Vacuum cleaner. New. Final flash. Perfect timing. Oh no, this is good. Spirit bomb. Spirit bomb. Okay, let's see how much. Last time we we weren't making a video and it was super laggy. And it was in a villager map. It was pretty laggy, not gonna lie. Now this is the Dragon Ball Z mod with some other ones. We might do some other ones in a second. And we might do some missions too.
Okay, I'm losing frame rate.
He is losing frames.
Oh my god. Holy crap.
Oh no. Oh.
Okay, slash.
You better not make the game lag to death.
I love this.
Oh, he loves it. Oh, instant transmission. Even though it says teleport, we call it instant transmission. We are restarting the game. What? Yeah, this is the sledgehammer, just in a modded way from Halo. Yeah, that's totally normal. Like and subscribe again. Hi. How would what's that fast thumping sound? How was your day? I think he's trying to. How was your day? Do not. Okay, he electrified it. Now it's just. Now it's just nothing now. Oh, we got an achievement.
Couch potato.
Yes, we got the couch potato achievement with the big bang attack. Big bang attack. Big bang attack.
Straight for the stovepipe.
Yeah, the stovepipe, which is also the chimney. One Punch Man Super Punch. Oh. One Punch Man Punch. One Punch Man Punch. One Punch Man punch. One Punch Man punch. Oh, One Punch Man punch. What works? Bottles? Is that right that bottles don't get destroyed? That's kind of weird. I mean, that's kind of weird that the bottles didn't get destroyed. The third time, like and subscribe now. Or else One Punch Man will punch you to space in your sleep.
Please like and subscribe.
Yes, please like and subscribe now. Goku and Saitama, which is also One Punch Man, will throw your house into infinite void, which is space. Super One Punch Man punch. Yeah, we got some crazy mods. Supernova, Spirit Bomb. This will be fun. Make the game lag to that Spirit Bomb. Do not let us down. No. Oh yeah, this is good to know. Also, we also noticed this, and we weren't making a video. So when you hold the key blast button, then it turns orange and blue, if I remember correctly. I mean, orange and yellow. I mean red and yellow.
Say goodbye. Okay, say
Goodbye.
goodbye.
Like and subscribe.